you ever wondered what secrets lay hidden in the infinite expanse of the cosmos? Our universe is a vast and limitless expanse, a cosmic canvas painted with a myriad of celestial wonders. Its sheer magnitude can be overwhelming, as it stretches out in all directions far beyond the reaches of our comprehension. The cosmos has always been a source of mystery and fascination. Ancient civilizations gazed up at the night sky and saw gods and monsters in the stars. They sought to unravel the mysteries of the heavens, using their observations to guide their lives and shape their cultures. Today, we continue this quest for understanding, employing cutting-edge technology and scientific knowledge to probe the depths of the cosmos. With every leap in technology, we peel back another layer of the cosmic onion. The invention of the telescope allowed us to see beyond our own solar system, revealing a universe teeming with galaxies. The advent of radio astronomy gave us the ability to detect celestial bodies invisible to the naked eye. And the development of space travel has allowed us to venture beyond our own planet, to literally reach for the stars. Yet with each new discovery, new mysteries emerge. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. We've uncovered exoplanets with conditions that defy our understanding of planetary formation. We've detected strange signals from distant galaxies that we can't explain. We've observed phenomena that challenge our most fundamental theories about the nature of the universe. Space, in all its boundless glory, is a treasure trove of enigmas. It's a cosmic puzzle that we're still trying to piece together, a grand mystery that we're striving to solve. Every star we chart, every galaxy we observe, every planet we discover brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. But the journey is far from over. As we stand on the precipice of the unknown, we find ourselves faced with more questions than answers. The infinity of space is not a barrier to our curiosity, but a challenge to our ingenuity. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, we continue to uncover mysteries that challenge our understanding of the universe. Our journey into the mysteries of space begins with the discovery that shook the scientific world: the existence of dark matter. This invisible, enigmatic substance was first postulated by Swiss astronomer Fritz Zwicky in the 1930s. Quite the maverick, Zwicky noticed something was off when he was observing the Coma galaxy cluster. You see, galaxies within a cluster move under the influence of gravity, and the speed at which they move tells us about the total amount of gravity, and hence the total mass of the cluster. But Zwicky found that the galaxies were moving way too fast for the amount of mass he could see. He realized there must be some missing mass that we couldn't detect directly, and he named it Dunkel Materie, or dark matter. But what is dark matter? Well, that's the million-dollar question. What we do know is that it's not made up of the same stuff we are. It's not atoms or any other known particle. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, which makes it incredibly difficult to detect. Yet it exerts gravitational pull, and it's this gravitational effect that we see and measure. Dark matter challenges our understanding of the universe and physics itself. It's like discovering an entire hidden layer to reality. It's mind-boggling to think that all the stars, galaxies, and clusters we can see make up less than 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy, which we'll delve into later. Dark matter is one of those fascinating paradoxes in science. It's everywhere, shaping the large-scale structure of the universe, and yet it's nowhere to be found. We're surrounded by it, but we can't see it, touch it, or hold it. Despite being discovered nearly a century ago, dark matter remains one of the greatest mysteries of the universe. We've come far since Zwicky's time, but we're still grappling with understanding the true nature of dark matter. It's a tantalizing puzzle, a cosmic riddle waiting to be solved. Next, we traverse into the realm of the unknown, the strange and fascinating world of black holes. Black holes, the enigmatic titans of the cosmos, were first conceived in the early 20th century, arising from Albert Einstein's revolutionary theory of general relativity. Yet they remained largely theoretical until the late 60s, when observational evidence began to mount, confirming their existence. So what exactly are these mysterious? Black holes are regions of space-time exhibiting gravitational acceleration so strong that nothing, not even particles or electromagnetic radiation such as light, can escape from it. They are in essence cosmic traps from which escape is impossible. Their properties are equally intriguing. They are characterized by what's known as the event horizon, a boundary in space-time through which matter and light can only pass inward towards the mass of the black hole. It's the point of no return. Beyond this event horizon, we find the singularity, a point where space-time curves infinitely, and our understanding of physics as we know it breaks down. Black holes are not just fascinating, they are also paradoxical, posing challenges to our understanding of fundamental physics. They are at the heart of the clash between quantum mechanics and general relativity, two of the most successful theories in physics, yet incompatible in their current forms. For instance, there's the famous information paradox, which questions whether information about matter that falls into a black hole is lost forever. This contradicts quantum mechanics, which insists that information can never be lost. Black holes also raise questions about the nature of space and time, the existence of other dimensions, and even the possibility of wormholes, theoretical passages through space-time that could create shortcuts for long journeys across the universe. These cosmic beasts continue to baffle us, holding secrets that could unlock new understandings of the universe. Our journey into the mysteries of space takes us to the most recent and perhaps most perplexing discovery yet: dark energy. In the closing years of the 20th century, astrophysicists made an astonishing discovery. They found that the universe was not just expanding, as had been known since the days of Edwin Hubble, but that this expansion was actually accelerating. This revelation was completely counterintuitive. After all, one would expect the universe's expansion to be slowing down due to gravity. And yet, it wasn't. The force pushing the universe's galaxies apart at an ever-increasing rate was dubbed dark energy, a fittingly enigmatic name for a phenomenon that remains largely unexplained to this day. It's thought to make up roughly 70% of the universe's total energy. Just think about that for a second. Most of the universe is made up of something we can't see, can't touch, can't measure directly, and barely understand. Despite its profound implications, we understand very little about dark energy. Is it a property of space itself, as Einstein once postulated with his cosmological constant? Or is it a new field or particle we've yet to discover? Perhaps our understanding of gravity on the cosmic scale is flawed, and dark energy is simply a symptom of that misunderstanding. The truth is, we don't know. Scientists are using a variety of methods to try and pry open the secrets of dark energy. They're studying distant supernovae, mapping the cosmic microwave background, and probing the large-scale structure of the universe. Each new piece of data is a clue, a breadcrumb on the trail to understanding this mysterious force. Like dark matter, dark energy is a mystery that continues to confound scientists, reminding us just how much we have yet to learn about the universe. As we delve deeper into the cosmos, we find that the universe is not only larger than we had ever imagined, but also more mysterious and more fascinating. From the vastness of space to the existence of dark matter, black holes, and dark energy, the universe is full of mysteries that continue to perplex us. We've traversed the infinite expanses of space, grappling with its sheer scale. We've considered dark matter, an elusive substance that, despite making up about 85% of the universe's matter, remains unseen. We've delved into the enigma of black holes, cosmic vacuum cleaners of such intensity that even light cannot escape their grasp. And we've pondered dark energy, the mysterious force accelerating the expansion of our universe. Each of these facets presents a unique challenge to our understanding, a puzzle piece in the grand cosmic jigsaw. The universe, it seems, is a veritable treasure trove of enigmas, each one more intriguing than the last. As we continue to explore the cosmos, who knows what other mysteries we will uncover, forever expanding our understanding of this vast, infinite universe.
Thank you for watching JJ Knowledge Hub.